Hi everyone, I'm Mandana. In this video, I explain the steps of installing Apache Spark on Windows. Install Java, we navigate to Oracle websites, and in a product menu, we go to Java and download Java. Here between this version, we choose SE because it's a long-term support. So we go to JDK download, and here we choose the Windows installer and download this file. Okay, download is completed. Now we start the installation of Java. Okay, to check that if the Java is installed correctly or not, we use command prompt, and by using this command java-version, we check that everything is okay. Java version 11.0.12, the latest version that we installed. Step is installing IDE. Here we use IntelliJ IDE. We install it from JetBrains site. Here in Developer Tools, click on IntelliJ IDE and download the Community Edition. Here, Community Edition. Okay, it's downloaded and now we install it. Okay, it's finished. We run it. Okay, now it's installed successfully. Here we use the version 2021 1.3. Apache Spark supports several programming languages like Scala, Java, Python, and R. Between these languages, Scala and Python have interactive shell for Spark. Here we use Scala because Apache Spark framework itself is written in Scala. So we should install the plugin of Scala. Here in plugin marketplace we install Scala. And restart IDE. The third step is download and install Spark. We open a browser and navigate to spark.apache.org. Click on download menu and then here we should choose Spark release and package type. We accept the default and download the Spark. From this mirror, we choose one of them and save the file. After download is finished, we open the download folder and extract the files here. And then copy and paste it in a C drive. After that, rename it to the Spark. So you have a folder named Spark in C drive, and in Spark you have these folders, bin, conf, data, and other folder. Be sure that everything is okay. Go to Google and search for WinUtils exe download, and we can download from any of these GitHub. I choose this one. WinUtil is a collection of useful commands that access some part of the Windows API. It's enables the user to use the Windows specific services. If you remember, for installing Spark, we use this package, Apache Hadoop 3.2. So here for WinUtils, we'll look for Hadoop 3.2 and we install winutils.exe. Save the file. Then we open the folder of download folder and copy the file. Go to drive C, create a new folder and name it Hadoop. Inside Hadoop, create another folder and name it bin, and then paste the WinUtils exe here. So now we have two folders in Drive C, one for Spark and another for Hadoop. And the last step is configuring environment variable in Windows so that we add the Spark and Hadoop location to the system path. We set the environment variable first for Spark. The name of the variable we put Spark home and browse the directory for the path of the Spark that it was in the Drive C folder Spark, and another variable for Hadoop home, and browse the directory. And also another one for Java. The path was in Drive C, program files, Java, and JDK 11. And also we should edit the path variable and add new environment variable for Spark and Java here. New for Spark home and subfolder bin, and also another one for Java home and subfolder bin. Okay, okay, and okay. If the environment variable is set correctly, you can type Spark shell and launch Spark. Spark, the shell. We check that if the Spark is installed correctly. Yes, perfect. Yes, here we can see that everything is okay. Also, we can open a web browser and navigate to localhost with the port 4040 to see a Spark Shell web UI. The job is storage, environment, and executors. Okay, so everything is perfect.
Thank you for watching.